Pocket Watch Studios. I'm Vitaly, and this is
Isabella.
Isabella, my best friend Isabella. Come on.
Get with it.
And since last time there was a tie between spinner versus food, we're gonna have to do it again with a twist. We agreed on the twist. Why aren't you twisting?
Sorry.
With a twist. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna get our spinners going as fast as possible with the donkey power. Whoa, hold on to that, Isabella. And then we're gonna pick a food. Are you paying attention?
Yes, I got it.
We're gonna pick a food and then we're gonna drop it in at the same time and see which food survives the spinner longest. Clear? Simple enough?
Sure. Yes, sir. I'm excited. I just don't want you to lose, so I already.
To lose? I'm not gonna lose. Okay, so let's get these things spinning.
Guys, gonna...
Give myself more round. Okay, ready, set, go! That went everywhere. Okay, so I guess how do we decide who won?
I think.
Mine caused more of a splash.
Yeah, my Fruit Loops.
Your Fruit Loops went everywhere. Let's just call it a tie.
Okay, fair enough. This one was a tie.
Yay! That last one was great. It was a tie. We agree?
Yeah. I mean,
we both win.
I'm competing with you. I need you to go down.
No, that's mean. Okay, so now it's gonna be spinners versus banana and chocolate. Let's see which one survives longer. Let's
I get the banana.
Okay, you get the banana, I'll get the chocolate.
Okay.
Let's get these things spinning.
Let's do this.
Here we go, mule power. Wait, let's get these a little faster, a little faster, a little faster, a little faster.
Ready?
Go! Yee! Which one? It's a tie again? Is it a tie? Hey, no, that's not fair. What are you doing?
Win!
Okay, fine. Isabella gets this point. So it's 1-0. Let's go to the next one. Okay, Isabella, so are you keeping up with what's going on?
Yes, I'm winning.
You are winning, that's true. How about we do nuts and watermelon
Okay, I
versus
call
each other?
watermelon.
Okay, you get watermelon?
Yeah.
I'll do nuts, and then we'll save ice cream last, because it's already melted. So let's get some mule power. Okay, ready, go! Ah!
Ow!
Dude, mine, that was
Yours.
nuts! Thank you for laughing, that was
get
really
it.
kind.
I think you
Okay.
won that one. Yeah.
I won that one?
Sorry to myself. Good you won.
No, that's you should be happy that I won.
I don't want you to win!
Why
What part are you
not?
not getting?
It's a tie. I'm not even winning, Isabella.
I will win the ice cream.
Okay, it's technically 2-2 because the first one was a tie. So what we're gonna do, the final thing is this. This
I
is
got you.
gonna be the
So
tiebreaker. Whoever gets the spinner to go long or create more of a mess. Let's just create more of a mess. Why not?
I'm gonna do it.
I think, okay, fine. I'm definitely gonna win. So whoever can create more of a mess with their spinner wins.
I'm
You
ready.
ready to get messy?
Yeah, you wanna go
You
first?
wanna go first or I wanna go first?
You
go first.
You go first.
You go first.
You go first.
You go first.
You go first.
You can go first. Yeah! Fine. Okay. Okay, I'll go first. Ready, go! And everyone go! Oh! Wow! Okay, that was a mess. That was good. That's gonna be tough to beat, Isabella. That's gonna be tough to beat. Yeah, you can clean yourself up a little bit. I'm sorry about that. By the way, I got the wall dirty. Not just Isabella, not just myself. This entire wall is dirty now.
All right, you're going down.
Okay, everyone take a visual note of how dirty I made this. So my spinner made a huge mess. Wouldn't you agree, Isabella?
Yes, but mine is gonna be an even bigger mess.
Okay, let's see what we got.
All right, give
how
me
about
this-
you add some mule power to this?
Oh yeah, wait, why do you call it mule power?
I never thought you'd ask. The year was 1822. And
Oh
it was,
God, just do it already.
oh, that's going fast. That is going fast. This is gonna make a mess.
Ah!
Oh! That was
think I
pretty
won.
cool. What? I don't think so.
No.
It's Fine. You won. Yay! So the score was 3-2. Isabella won. This was Spinner versus Food, round 2 with a twist. That's a bad twist. This is Pocket Watch Studios. I'm Vitaly.
Adios.
This is my best friend, Isabella. Thanks for watching. Like and comment below. Tell us what else we should do. See you guys later. Bye-bye. Adios. Now. Adios.
All right, then. I'm out of here.